Hey guys, Tony of Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we are doing a commercial building. Well, we're doing the concrete of the commercial building. I had a customer call me saying that the congressman within our town's local area and jurisdiction is coming through tomorrow actually. So they want to make sure they get everything clean, looking nice for him. So here's what we're going to be doing today. I already have just set up my stuff. Just gonna, you just gotta take the video really quick. Doing all that concrete, or they're called pavers, same thing, same cleaning process, all the way down there and around the corner as well. The two buildings that are involved are gonna be House of Random and then also First and Main. So I'm gonna be cleaning those today. There's just a lot of like little things of mold, mildew, and algae. You can see that green stuff and those little black dots is gonna be gum. It opted not to have the gum removal service, so if we can get them up without using special tools and chemicals, awesome. If we can't, well then they just didn't pay for it, and they said they're okay with the little black spots not being taken up all the way. So let's get to cleaning. All right, so we're gonna be starting off this concrete cleaning for the two restaurants, putting everything into sections just to make sure that we're getting everything efficiently, making sure everything's clean first. We are going to be outlining our concrete like we do in every other concrete cleaning service to make sure we get all sides and all angles of the concrete. These have little door inlets. I want to make sure we get those as well. You can see right here the concrete just changing colors. All that dirt and debris and all that organic buildup just kind of melting away. Really changed the color of the concrete, brought it back to its original state. We're using high pressure here. You can use high pressure on pavers just like concrete. You just want to make sure that you're not etching the pavers or the concrete by using too much pressure. Right here, we're going to be outlining again. You can see that we're not touching the painted sidewalk, the blue part for the handicaps. Want to make sure that we're not going to be getting rid of those or taking that paint off right there. You can also see that during our cleaning, we go vertical and horizontal as well, just to make sure we're getting all the angles of the pavers to make sure that they're all cleaned. Pavers, unlike flat concrete, have a lot of little tiny angles you got to get around, make sure every angle is clean. Even though this is standard for us to go vertical and horizontal, even on flat work, we just want to make sure we're taking it extra slow, making sure that everything gets cleaned. Those pots and that light pole, the trash can, you want to make sure you get around those as well, get in between them, make sure that everything between them is clean as well. And right here, we're going to be doing the patio, which is some would argue the most important part, because that's where people sit. That's where the storefront is. We move all those little umbrella pole or umbrella holders. Make sure we're getting everything. Nothing is going to be untouched. We want to make sure that our customer is happy, especially with the congressman coming in. We are not touching the metal grate of the for the tree. That's not part of our cleaning, and we don't clean metal. Right here, you're going to be seeing that we don't move the tables or the chairs to get behind them. We talked to the property owner saying that we aren't a moving company. We don't move things. If we do have to move things and the customer does not want to move them for us, we will have to do an extra charge. That's just one of the things that we have drawn a line in with our customers and everything. Even though the customer did not want to pay for the gum service removal or have those tables and chairs right there removed from the area so we can clean it thoroughly, the customer is very happy with the service, the concrete cleaning service of the two storefronts, First and Main and House of Random. He gave us a 5-star review on Google, which you can go check out on our website, aquacleansingpressurewashing.com. This has been Tony from Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.